Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what SoFi is and how it works. SoFi, which stands for Social Finance, is a digital-first financial technology company and nationally chartered online bank. It was originally founded in 2011 with a focus on student loan refinancing, but it has since grown into a comprehensive everything app for personal finance. At its core, SoFi operates entirely online without physical bank branches, which allows the company to pass operational savings back to its users through competitive interest rates and low fee structures. SoFi works by consolidating multiple financial services into a single integrated mobile app and web platform. Its ecosystem is divided into several primary pillars. First is SoFi Checking and Savings. This digital banking product combines checking and savings features into one account. It typically carries no monthly account fees or minimum balance requirements and offers high-yield interest rates for customers who set up direct deposits. Deposits are protected by FDIC insurance through a network of partner banks. Second is SoFi Lending. SoFi is one of the largest online lenders, offering personal loans, student loan refinancing, home mortgages, and home equity lines of credit. Users can check their potential rates using a soft credit pool that does not impact their credit score. If approved, borrowers make monthly payments structured around fixed terms. Third is SoFi Invest. This platform gives users access to self-directed trading for stocks and exchange-traded funds with zero commission fees. It also provides automated investing options via robo-advisors, retirement accounts like traditional and Roth IRAs, and cryptocurrency trading capabilities. Fourth are financial management tools like SoFi Relay. Relay allows users to monitor their credit scores for free, track spending across external bank accounts, view net worth, and set budgeting goals. SoFi also features built-in AI tools like SoFi Coach to provide personalized financial insights. Revenue is generated primarily through loan origination interest, net interest margin on bank deposits, and transaction fees from debit card usage and investment order flow. By keeping consumers within a single ecosystem for borrowing, saving, spending, and investing, SoFi creates a unified financial experience designed to replace traditional fragmented banking. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.